This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites, IDP metadata, certs, and a Servicenow admin account. Log in as admin and enable the SSO plugin, then set your instance URL so the IDP can reach it. Export or copy the IDP metadata XML or URL and import it into Servicenow now. Make sure to define user mapping attributes like username and email to match IDP claims. Once done, create a dedicated test user with the same attributes to use during the initial connection test. You now configure the SAML record in Servicenow. Create a new SAML2 single sign-on entry, paste the IDP metadata, and confirm the ACS URL and entity ID match what the IDP expects. Set the certificate used to validate signatures and choose whether Servicenow will sign requests. Next, map incoming name ID and attribute statements to Servicenow fields and set the user lookup field so accounts resolve properly. Make sure to save and toggle the SSO record to active before moving to testing. You finish by testing both SB-initiated and IDP-initiated logins with the test account. Observe the full redirect and assertion flow. Once successful, activate SSO for user groups in production and monitor audit logs. If something fails, check the system logs authentication for SAML error messages and timestamps. A common fix is time skew. Ensure NTP sync, confirm certificates aren't expired. Verify ACS/entity ID exact matches, and recheck name ID format and attribute mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.